Hello, yogis, and welcome to our yoga practice. Today's class is designed to invigorate, to stimulate energy, and to really wake you up. Let's begin by coming into a wide-legged child's pose. Reach the arms out as far as you can in front of you. Drop the hips down onto the sit bones and begin to tune into your breath, elongating the inhalation and the exhalation. Begin to breathe in and out through the nose, cultivating that hollow whisper-like quality to the breath. Keep this breath flowing as you rise up to your hands and knees. Draw the knees under the hips, palms under the shoulders, and then open your heart, drop the belly. Round your spine, chin to your chest. Inhale, open the heart. And exhale, round the spine. Inhale, open. And exhale, round. Waking up the body. Come back to a neutral spine. Tuck your toes. And lift your hips up into downward facing dog. Pedal out your feet. Wake up the hamstrings, the heels, the upper back. Take a deep breath in and exhale, let it go. Inhale through the nose. And exhale through the nose. On your inhale, lift the right toes up to the sky. And as you exhale, step the right foot forward. Stay on the ball of the left foot. Rise up for crescent lunge. Sink the hips. Tuck the tailbone under. Arms alongside the ears. As you exhale, plant the palms. Step back to high plank and lower halfway. And press up. Halfway down, press it up, keep the core engaged. One more time, down and up. Press back, downward facing dog. Inhale, left toes to the sky. Sink the right heel down into the mat. On your next breath out, step that left foot forward between the hands. Stay on the ball of the right foot. Rise up, crescent lunge. Make sure that that left knee is stacked over the left ankle and then press back through your right heel. Lower the palms, step back to high plank, lower halfway, press it up, halfway down, press up, one more, halfway, and up, press back, downward facing dog. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Feel the body waking up. Vitality flowing. Inhale, right toes high. Exhale, step the right foot forward. Lower the left knee. Inhale, sweep the arms alongside the ears. On your exhale, plant the palms. Come off of that left knee and step the left foot forward to meet the right. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and exhale, fold forward. Inhale, rise up to standing with a flat back, and exhale, hands to the heart. Inhale, sweep the arms up and overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, and exhale, step the right foot back, lower the right knee to the earth. Inhale the arms alongside the ears. Think of pressing the heart forward, sinking the hips down and forward. Lift up through the spine as you lower the palms. Step the left foot back and sweep it up to the sky. On an exhale, lower to plank pose. Bring the left hand to the middle of the mat and spin open for side plank. Right hand reaches up to the sky. Keep lifting up through the lower waist. And now lift the right leg, bend the right knee, Drop the right toes behind you and open through the heart, through the chest for flip dog. And then lower the right hand and the leg. Flow through your chaturanga. Inhale, open the heart, and exhale with a push-up. Press yourself back, downward dog. Take a breath in, and then breath out. We'll come back into our side plank. This time, right hand is the foundation. Left arm reaches up to the sky. Lift the left leg, bend the left knee, and step the toes behind you. Open up through the left shoulder, heart beaming, opening, expanding. Lower the left palm and the left leg, come into plank, lower halfway, inhale up dog, and exhale with the extra push-up, press it back, downward facing dog. Take a breath in and out. Inhale, right toes high. Exhale, step the right foot forward, spin the left foot flat, open up for warrior two. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, extended side angle. Right hand drops to the earth. Inhale, reverse warrior. Right arm up and overhead, and then lower the palms. Straighten through the right leg as you flatten the back foot and step it in a footprint. Folding forward for pyramid pose. See if you can square off the hips, bringing the left hip forward. And from here, we'll step back to high plank and lower through our chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale with the push-up, back to downward facing dog. Inhale, left toes high. And as you exhale, left foot forward, right foot flat. Open up, warrior two. Gaze out over the left fingertips. Take a breath in, and as you breathe out, extended side angle. On the inhale, reverse the warrior. And then lower both palms down to the earth, framing the left foot. Step the back foot in a footprint and fold over your straight left leg. Square the hips, and then inhale, lengthen through the spine. As you exhale, step the left foot back and flow. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale with the push-up, press it back, downward facing dog. Deep breath in and out, let it go. From here, jump forward into a seat. Extend the legs forward. On an inhale, lift through the arms, and as you exhale, come into a seated forward fold. Just drape the spine over the legs, crown of the head magnetizing toward the toes. On your inhale, walk yourself back up. Place the palms behind you, fingertips facing toward the toes. Inhale, lift the hips. You can also do this with straight legs, your choice. If it's comfortable, drop the head back. And then gaze forward, lower the hips. And from here, we'll come into a comfortable seated posture. Keeping the energy of the practice within, inhale, sweep the arms overhead, and exhale, pull that vitality into your heart center. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Exhale, draw in peace and presence. One more time, inhale, arms reach high. And as you exhale, pull in whatever quality you'd like to bring with you through the rest of this day or evening. Take a moment to just rest in the stillness. Thank you so much for joining me for today's practice. I hope this quick flow stimulates positivity to guide you through the rest of your day. Namaste.